Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common refrigerator issue, that annoying clicking sound. We'll explore a potential cause of faulty relay and how to fix it. First, let's understand the clicking. The compressor is the cooling system's heart. It pumps refrigerant to maintain temperature. The compressor needs power, and the start relay provides that boost. A failing relay can't deliver the power, leading to clicking as it tries and fails to start the compressor. This is often followed by the refrigerator not cooling. Safety first: unplug your fridge. Locate the compressor. It's typically a black, cylindrical component at the back or bottom. The start relay is usually a small, black plastic component clipped onto it. Inspect the relay. You might need a screwdriver to remove covers. Check for burning, melting, or damage. If damaged, it's likely faulty. But even if it looks okay, it could still be bad. To test the relay, you'll need a multimeter. Set it to continuity diode symbol or sound waves. Remove the relay from the compressor. Place the multimeter probes on the relay terminals. If it doesn't beep or show continuity, the relay is bad. Replacing a faulty relay is usually straightforward. Find a compatible replacement at appliance parts stores or online. Clean the compressor terminals before installing the new relay. Clip the new relay on securely. Plug your refrigerator back in. Listen for the compressor. If it starts without clicking, you've likely fixed it. Give it time to cool and monitor the temperature. If it still clicks or doesn't start, there might be another issue, such as a faulty compressor, which needs professional repair. In summary, clicking often signals a relay problem, preventing cooling. Always unplug the fridge before repairs. Inspect and test the relay. Replacing a faulty relay is a common DIY fix. If this helped, like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.